Hi, I'm Sean O, the RestEquipPro. Today we're going to talk about the Robot Coupe R2 dice. Now here we are with the Robot Coupe R2 dice. This is a combination food processor that can also dice right out of the box. Here on the table is everything that comes with this unit right out of the box to get you going. First off, you've got a cutter attachment. That goes on the motor base just like this. Then, to dice, we start with the dice grid and the discharge plate. This must go in first, has to be used with every operation, so this always goes in first. This is what spins around and throws the food out. Then you have the dice grid. This goes in one way, cannot go in upside down, so it only goes in one way. Then the cutter plate goes on top of the dice grid. That cutter plate is only used with the dice grid, not used with anything else, nor are any of the other plates used with the dice grid. We screw down the cutter plate on the top with the thumb screw to hold it securely to the drive shaft for precision cutting. Then when that's ready to go, just finger tight. Then we take the lid, put that on, and we are ready to dice. Now we showed you how to use the dicing. Now we're going to talk about slicing and grading with the standard cutter plates. Once again, discharge plate has to go in first. It's used with every function, so in it goes. Next, we go to one of the two included plates with your R2 dice, a 4mm slicer and a 2mm shredder. This is how they go on. Very simply, goes in, comes down right over the drive shaft, just one plate, that's all there is to it. Put your top on, and you are ready to slice. If we needed to switch plates, we go right in, take out that slicer plate, in goes the 2mm grater, top goes back on, and we are ready to grate. All right, so now we looked at the dice kit, we looked at the shredder plate, we looked at the slicer plate. Now we're going to talk about regular bowl processing. When people think of a food processor, the bowl is probably what they're thinking about. There's a bowl with an S cutter blade. That goes in the bowl. Then you have a lid on top, and you are ready to go. Well, there you have the basics of the Robot Coupe R2 dice. For other tips, tricks, do's and don'ts, best practices, and other ways to make money in your operation, stay tuned to the RestEquipPro channel. I'm Sean O, the RestEquipPro.